welcome to the channel. It's lovely to have you along. Finished in the office, so now it's time for me to do the family dinner. And tonight we are having a pasta with salmon and prawns. Well, when I say prawns, some plum decided to eat most of them, so we are having salmon with some token prawns. And keeping me company is a nice cheeky little Italian primitivo. Oh, get real notes of wine. I don't know. But it is, that is highly quaffable. Lovely. Right, so salmon, that's going to go in the oven for 20 minutes, just a little bit of salt, pepper and dill, before I flake it into the pasta sauce. So I'll chop some dill up. Hope you're all having a good week so far. Me and the boys did a little gym session after work, because, you know, got to lose the pounds. We've been doing all right. Doing it for a few weeks now. Oh, I do like dill. It's one of my favourite herbs. Just chop that up, not too fine. Little sprinkle would be lovely. And we'll wrap that up and I'll put it in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. We'll check part way through. On about 180. Lovely. And the rest of this dill is going to go in the sauce. Always have a compost bin with you. You can get rid of the bits. Very handy. Need a little space beside me to put it in, really, don't I? In fact, that's not enough dill. Let's get a bit more. Nice, we'll come back to that. Right, normally I would say a shallot is better, but I don't have any, so we're going to be using red onion. And if you don't like it, tough. My kitchen, my rules. Nice. All right. Chop that up nice and fine. Don't want that. Alright, let's pop that in the pan. Dill we'll put in later, you don't want to put it in too early, it's more of a finishing herb in this one. Probably a little bit too nice to put in, but it's what I have, so we will be using it. Then we want some garlic. Just going to grate that. Right, give that a little grate and we'll put it in once the onions have softened a bit. Nice, so I hope you're all having a good week. Not too busy in the office or wherever you're working. Let's get that on. Along with it, I'm just going to be doing some green beans. Saute them in a little bit of butter with salt and pepper. Very simple, very tasty. I don't like the ends, so cut them off. Right, bit of salt and pepper in the old green beans. Don't be shy. Seasoning is king. I don't know about you, but I can't cook without a bit of music, so pop the little tune in. Job done. Cheers. That is actually not bad. Right, pasta water. And no, I'm not making my own pasta, because one, I'm not a chef, and two, I haven't always got time. I know you say it's quick, but you can buy fresh pasta, it's not bad. Right, cook those down until they've softened. Nice bit of colour in the onion. Good glug of vino. Cycling please, my love. Let that cook down a bit, and then we'll add some nice cream and the dill. A bit more dill than that even. And there's always one person who doesn't like fishy fish, so for them I have a leftover cheese sauce. So they will be having, now if you can hear that, that's Jasper, he's my chief taster. And we got a cat across the road who's decided to come into the garden and really wind him up. So that's why he's barking. Right, let's wash these things up. Oh no, I'll do it all together at the end. Got to have a little sing-song in the kitchen, eh? Naked light I saw. Right, a bit of parmesan. Can you chuck us a white bowl out there, my love? Lovely. Oh, I feel that in my arms after the gym. Right, salmon's been done in the oven, flaked up to go in here with the cream. Green beans are going, cheese sauce for the fussy one. I've got to call the kids down because once the pasta in, it's only 4 minutes. I don't shout upstairs. I stuck a little doorbell by their room. Let's put the prawns in, the few that are left. Just me. I've got my chief taster here. Oops. Is that yummy? Yeah. Right, colander for the pasta. Right, salmon in, Reggiano in. Oh yeah, not for me. Nice pasta in, that takes about 4 minutes. Oh, escapee. Thank you, mate.
I'm gonna have a Coke.
Nah. Lovely. I got to dish the pasta out before I chuck it in there, innit? Make sure the quantities are fair and square. That is quite quaffable. Turn that down. Oh, fishy, fishy. Be my lover.
At least the sound of it is distinct.
Yeah. Right, almost done. Green beans. Bit of Reggiano for me and my cheese sauce. Parsley. Time to dish. Right. Salty enough?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Has somebody done waters?
No.
I'm having a Coke. So you can have Coke if you like. And 2 Cokes, please. I've got water on the table. Okay. 2 waters.
Who's having a Coke? Me having a Coke?
We do the sign off that side where all the food's done.
Yeah.
Dinner down, are you having a Coke?
No, mate, I'll have a water, thanks.
Oh, Oh, do we need prawns? Do you have prawns out?
It's in it.
I'll wait till the very last minute to move it.
I don't know how many prawns people are getting. That hasn't got any. That's got one. That's got none. That's got one. I think it's about one each. Oh no, that one's got two. That one's got two. Everybody but Emily wants green beans. Just one for me. I can do the water, don't worry about it. Right, done. Yum yum, tuck in, and I'll see you next time.